Hello everybody, it's Dr. Ratchet, and today we have all my minions except for minion number 4, because she's not here. She's gone. And today we are doing the Dr. Ratchet Awards. And the thing is that I say like most likely to blah 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 blah, most blah 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 blah, and we each say who we think it is. So let's begin. So the first one is like best fashion sense. Family who?
Amanda.
Me.
Dr. Ratchet.
Amanda.
Oh, I won.
I won too.
No, that don't count.
Most likely to get drunk right now.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Emily.
I mean me.
Emily.
I mean me.
Dr. Ratchet.
Okay.
Jasmine.
Okay.
I don't know what you decide.
Best duo. Best like relationship out of us 4.
What?
Amanda and Ariana. Amanda and Dr. Ratchet.
Me and her.
Food and food.
What were you, Jasmine?
Food. I don't have one.
You think one of us is food?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. The sass queen.
Amanda.
Me.
I would say Emily because she always rolls her eyes at everything. Yeah, I say Emily too.
Laziest.
Dr. Ratchet.
Me.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Funniest. I'm going to get the
Jasmine.
show on the road. Me. Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Winning all these awards. Most likely to go to jail.
Jasmine.
Myself.
Jasmine.
Oh.
Me?
She's a little jailbird. Biggest flirt.
Jasmine.
Dr. Ratchet.
Jasmine.
Me.
I do agree with Jasmine. I do.
Emily, you're a flirt.
Biggest party animal.
Jasmine.
Dr. Ratchet.
Jasmine.
Myself.
Best at makeup.
Amanda.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet, because in our previous video.
Yeah, I say Dr. Ratchet.
Oh, dang.
I hate
She
you,
has the
Emily.
best unibrow. She does eyebrows so good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Rear of the year.
What's that?
Booty?
Best-
Oh, the best butt?
Mhm.
Oh. Me.
Yeah, but that's self-conceited. Dr. Ratchet.
Emily.
Amanda. She's got a nice booty. Bubble butt.
The
Bubble,
ditziest.
bubble butt. The what?
Emily.
Yeah.
Emily.
It's Emily. It's not even me this time.
I'm not ditzy.
Hardest working.
Ariana. Dr. Ratchet.
Myself.
Neither of you guys.
None of you.
Yeah, none of you guys.
What?
I take that as a big offense.
Well, that sucks.
The loudest burp or fart.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Most dramatic.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr.
Emily.
Yeah. Best hair.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet. Especially her armpit hair.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Who will have the most kids?
Dr. Ratchet.
Emily.
You're gonna have like 10. Who's the? No. She's gonna beat the Duggars.
She is. She's gonna have like 30 kids with Emily.
31 kids and counting. 31 kids and counting.
That's more than my age.
Shut up and continue on.
I just flipped around.
Oh my god. 13 going on 31.
Okay, who's the sweetest out of our group?
Amanda.
Aww.
Dr. Ratchet.
Amanda's a devil. What are you talking about? None of you. You guys are all beeps.
Have you ever met me before? I'm so nice.
No, you're not.
You're not.
I'm
You're so mean. You call me ugly all the time.
You called me fat the other day.
When have I called you fat? I'm probably that out because that's not even true. Who's the crabbiest? Emily.
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 Nuh-uh.
Who's the most ratchet?
Dr. Ratchet.
Dr. Ratchet.
Well, that was a given.
I think that's all the video.
Okay, well, that was a fun little quick video and our spring break special. Well, go look at our yesterday's video, the music video, and wait for the next 3 videos of this whole entire week.
I promise they'll be better.
Yes, they will. They'll be hilarious.
I just burped. You just
So,
wait.
give this a big thumbs up. And go subscribe.
Double chins. 1, 2, 3, 1, go! Deuces.